Hi, kindergarten friends. This is the worksheet that we're going to be working on today. It's called Light the Tree. So what our job is that we are going to color the ornaments, the color word that they have on them. All right, so what you're going to need is your worksheet here, which should be in your packet from the last time we brought things to your home, and color crayons. All right, so first of all, you're going to have to be a great reader. A lot of these color words we've already practiced. So I'm going to take a look at this first color word and I'm going to read it. Red. If I did not know that said red, sometimes it helps when I spell it. It reminds me of the song. R-E-D, R-E-D, red, R-E-D, red. That is red. So I am going to take my crayon and I'm going to color this bulb, this ornament on the tree, red. And when I color, I want to take my time and do my best work, okay? So when you're coloring, you should not see any white on your bulb. You should see all red. All right? If you did not know this is red, you can also look on the crayons. Do you see in the crayon there, boys and girls? It says red, red, red. So I can easily match it up if I didn't. All right, I'm going to look at this one. W-H-I-T-E. White. White. I don't even need to color this one because it's already white. So I'm going to leave that be. B-R-O-W-N, B-R-O-W-N, B-R-O-W-N. That's how you spell brown. Ooh, I have to get out my brown crayon and color this. I can also look right here. Brown, brown. Okay, and again, I don't want you to go fast. This is good practice of staying in the lines and coloring using your fine motor skills. All right, so do your best to color the best that you can. Okay, it's not a race. All right, look at this one. B-L-A-C-K, B-L-A-C-K, B-L-A-C-K. What color word is that? Black. So you're going to get your black crayon out. Look at here. Black. You see it? Yeah, right here. Okay. So you're going to color each one of these bulbs, okay? You have to look, all right? What color is this? G-R-A-Y, G-R-A-Y. I can spell gray, I can spell gray. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange, orange. Don't forget when you're coloring. Yellow. Do you see that anywhere? Why, yep, right here. Okay, and I'm just coloring a little bit so that I can show you blue. Blue. But you would color the whole thing, okay? Purple, purple. Pink, pink. All right. And do not forget the tree. Green, green. Okay, but you would color the whole tree. And if you want to color the bear and the bird and the ladder, you can do that too. You won't need to color the snow because the snow is already white. After you finish doing this project, this paper, I want you to take a picture because I want to see how beautiful of a colorer you are. Hopefully you make a beautiful picture. Take your time and make it great. All right, have a wonderful day, boys and girls.